Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Drugs case to CBI in 2 days. CM clears a file pending from the last 3 months. Process almost complete. In his first ever exclusive interview after Goodler exposed, Home Minister reveals Roy in drugs nexus, says he is ready to give up Home Ministry. Kashinath Shetye receives threat for mentioning Roy's name in the complaint. Shetye says crime branch officials threatened him on the instructions of Home Minister. International Arbitration Centre finally opens in Goa. Union Law Minister Veerappa Moily says no case will remain pending for more than 3 months. Indian players fought till the end, says Climax Lawrence. Players gave 100% effort. Indian authorities need to be efficient for football's progress, says Climax. And ancient form of Budo Karate gaining worldwide popularity, says 5-time international black belt champ Neeraj Dhawan. Emphasizes always on enhancing technique. And now the news in detail. Goa government is likely to hand over drug nexus case to the CBI within 2 days. Sources has told Prudent Media that Chief Minister Kamath has cleared the file. The file was pending from the last 3 months. Government is handing over the drug case to CBI after intense pressure from opposition, media and other NGOs.
Prudent Media had exposed police drugs mafia nexus in February 2010, and now on 8 January, Prudent further exposed former ANC cop Sunil Goodler selling drugs to foreigners. There was intense pressure on government to hand over the case to CBI. Home Minister Ravi Naik's son Roy's name is also appearing in drug nexus case. In past, Assembly session was also adjourned as opposition demanded handing over the case to CBI. After Sunil Goodler expose, many Congress MLAs were demanding sacking Ravi Naik from ministry. But on Monday, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath told reporters that proposal for handing over drug case to CBI was under consideration and it might be handed over within 2 days.
It is under consideration, Musangani.
It is under consideration.
Oh, yeah. Process चालू केला बहुधा तातले 1-2-3 दिवस भितर
2-3 दिवस भितर धाडून दिता.
धाडटकीर मागीर सांगता हांव
पण सर इतको उशीर बीन
प्रोसेस आसता ताका खूब तांकां रिपोर्ट घेवचो पडटा आनी तांकां खूब कितें धाडटले आसता तांकां बरोबर बेश्टेच एक लेटर धाडपाक मेळना तांकां सगळे डॉक्युमेंट धाडचे पडटा कितें.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Ravindra Darvi.
In his first ever interview after Goodler exposed, Home Minister Ravi Naik has claimed that he has zeroed in on Roy involved in drugs nexus. But he says that he is not his son. He is ready to give up his home portfolio and has preferred to be mum on the issue of the pending file authorizing transfer of the drugs case to the CBI.
सर सगळ्यात महत्वाचा मुद्दा तुम्ही म्हणतात की आमचे पुलिसेक एविडन्स मेळना ताका लागून अशें जाता एविडन्स मेळना म्हळ्यार कांय जायना तुमकां इतले दीस म्हयने जाले लोक म्हणतात की काढून दियात ती सीबीआय कडेन ती कित्याक घेवन बसल्या तुम्ही
केस केल्या फाईल केली
नोव्हेंबराची 10 तारखेक नोव्हेंबर 10 ते डिसेंबर 10 ते जानेवारी 2.5 महिने जाले
म्हणजे
2.5 महिने जाले अजून केस तुमच्याच कडेन
ना ती फायल जी आशिल्ली ती सीएसा कडे गेली सीएसा कडल्यान ती मागीर परते रिपोर्ट मागून रिपोर्ट घालून परती धाडली परती हांवें ती मागीर परती केले कडून रोखडीच धाडली कित्याक म्हाकाय जाय कित्याक कटकटी कित्याक देव म्हाका काय ना
आता चीफ सेक्रेटरी आनी चीफ मिनिस्टरान पळोवपाचें
चीफ सेक्रेटरीन पळोवपाचें
चीफ सेक्रेटरी आनी चीफ मिनिस्टरान पळोवपाचें फायनली चीफ मिनिस्टराची क्लियरन्स जाय
ओके
सो तुमकां काय प्रॉब्लेम ना
कांयच प्रॉब्लेम ना आनी सेमाकय प्रॉब्लेम ना
सो मोदी उरलो तो सीएस
ते सीएसाक कितें प्रॉब्लेम आसतले
तेच म्हणटा बाय फायलात तेच कळना लोक मामलेदारान सांगले
रॉय,
की रॉय म्हणटा त्या मनशा फाटल्यान जेन्ना आपूण लागलो
हय.
तेन्ना आपल्याक ट्रान्सफर केलो
हो रॉय कोण म्हणून तुमी ताका विचारपाचो कित्याक 2000 म्हागेलो भुरगो खंय तरी शिकतलो आसतलो ल्हान आशिल्लो रॉय म्हणून तो पण हे रॉय पळय केल्लें आसा रॉय खूब आसा ते आनी हे ते बेल्टाक अंजुनाकच पळय 2-3 रॉय आसात म्हणून हेंचे तेंचे सुद्दां स्टेटमेंट घेतल्या तेणी सांगलें आसा आतांचे संबंद आनी कोणा संबंद कितें आसता तेचे उलयल्या ते
होम मिनिस्टर धरून तुमची पार्टी धरून ते गव्हर्नमेंट धरून लोकल इंटेलिजन्साक पॉलिटिकल पर्पजा खातीर वापरता म्हण
रॉंग
होम मिनिस्ट्री गेल्यार कोता येता पण एक्शन घेतले
करेक्ट आय एम नॉट डिपेंडंट ऑन होम मिनिस्ट्री
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Kashinath Shetty and 12 others have filed a complaint at the NDPS court against crime branch officers for threatening him to delete Roy's name from his complaint. Kashinath has appealed the court in Mapsa to monitor the investigation of the drug nexus case.
The hearing on Kashinath Shetty and others' plea against police was held on Monday at Mapsa NDPS court. Shetty had prayed before the court to monitor the investigation of drugs nexus case as police can't be trusted. He has expressed fear of an inconclusive investigation if it is monitored by Home Minister Ravi Naik. Earlier, Kashinath Shetty had demanded a FIR against former ANC PSI Sunil Gudlar, the then ANC SP Vinu Bansal and Roy. But police were reluctant to act on his complaint. Shetty claims he was threatened by police to withdraw Roy's name from complaint. He has further alleged that SP Mangaldas Desai, DYSP Shamba Samant and PI Sudesh Naik threatened him following the instruction from Home Minister Ravi Naik. The next hearing on his plea is now scheduled on 31st of January. Our principal correspondent from Mapsa, Murari Shetty, with Shyam Sundar Fadte.
We'll be back after a short break. Stay tuned.